Welcome to another Inside Music Row. Today we'll ask Lee Greenwood if God really does still bless the USA. We'll also hook up with Jeffrey Steele and friends at a special benefit show. Finally, we share some stories with Neil McCoy about his time in the studio with Blake and Miranda. All this and more coming up Inside Music Row. Hey there, I'm Bailey, and I'm so glad you joined us for another Inside Music Row. We've got a great show today, so let's get started with the upcoming CMA Music Fest. Fans are getting ready for their annual trek to Music City, where a wide range of artists and performances are jam-packed into 4 short days. Continuing the tradition of free shows on the Chevrolet Riverfront stage, Montgomery Gentry will kickstart the festival on their Thursday morning show. So many artists are involved, you'll just have to check out CMAfest.com for the entire lineup. Alan Jackson is keeping his promise to the people of Mineral, Virginia. The town, with a population of less than 500, cast over 31,000 votes to hold a concert in their hometown this weekend. The show will go on in the Louisa County High School parking lot, as the school and community were destroyed by a rare East Coast earthquake last summer. Proceeds will go to the public school system to help them rebuild. Josh Turner is set to release his 5th studio album, Punching Bag, right after CMA Music Fest. After 4 #1 hits and over 5 million albums sold, Josh is excited about the new music, where he co-wrote 8 of the 11 tracks. Look for the new music in stores June 12th. Fans can now get a taste of Trace Adkins in their grocery store. He's partnered up with Hightower Enterprises to bring a new country smoked sausage to Brookshire Grocery Company. Trace was raised on the products from the Louisiana-based family-run business and is excited to help them expand beyond Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. You can also check out the e-store online at traceadkinscountrysausage.com. Musicians on Call is celebrating 5 years in Music City. Since launching in 2007, Musicians on Call has delivered the healing power of music to more than 50,000 patients, staff members, and families in Middle Tennessee. The weekly bedside performance program brings live in-room performances to patients undergoing treatments or are unable to leave their hospital beds. The program has now expanded into 6 area hospitals, including a new program at Monroe Carroll Jr. Children's Hospital at Vanderbilt. Now it's time to go inside the song. We had a chance to talk to hit writer Jonathan Singleton about Let It Rain, the #1 song he co-wrote with David Nail, which David then took all the way to #1.
We were talking about, which is weird for 2, country guys to sit around and talk about, is it Zach Braff or Zach Graff, whatever, movies, which is like an independent movie that he put out. We were talking about how if, in this movie, his girlfriend, he sits on the porch, he cheats on her. She sits on the porch for 2 or 3 days, and then eventually at the end of the movie, she lets him in. And we were talking about, if that was a country song, she would have never let him in. It would have never happened that way. So that's what started the conversation. And we said, well, let's just write that. It's such a good picture, and it was such a great movie, So we ended up kind of leaning on that just a little bit. And hopefully he doesn't want any publishing on that song. But that was kind of the thing. It was a movie, which is really, really a different way to write a song, and it just happened to work out for us.
Let it rain, let it pour, she don't love me anymore.
This is an absolutely fantastic time of year with all the hot concert tours on the road. Let's take a quick peek at who's going where and when. We have to take a quick little break, but we have a brand new book to give away, which just went on sale this week from Lee Greenwood. Does God Still Bless the USA? We only have a couple of copies, so if you want to enter this week's drawing, head on over to InsideMusicRow.com to register. When we come back, we'll check out what Lee has to say about that incredible new book. We'll be back in a sliver.